Hi guys, welcome back to SQL with Ravimartha. This is SQL in 2 minute series. If you want the scripts, it is available in the description of the video. Today we will see what is ISNULL keyword in SQL Server and the corresponding keyword in Oracle is NVL. So currently we are in SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. As the name suggests, ISNULL means whenever a column is null, example, in this table, we have location, date of joining and experience in years is null values here. So we want to replace this null value with a meaningful name. Example, if the location is null, we want to replace it with unknown, and if the date of joining is null, we want to default it to 19000101. And if the experience is null, then we want to default it to 0. And let's run these two SQLs together to understand this. So here the location is defaulted with unknown, so we have replaced it with unknown, and date with 1900 here, and for this we have replaced it with 0. So whenever we use isNull function, we need to alias it again explicitly, else it will not show the column name. Example, I'm removing the location alias here, and let's see. So for example, since I have used the location isNull, location replaced with unknown, and you can see here no column name has been displayed here. So explicitly we have to give the alias for that particular column. So now you can see location alias has come here. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Please like my Facebook page and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.